Now we are going to do activity O. I will read now. Work with a partner. Ask each other 3 questions about something that they like or dislike. Work with your partner. Ask each other about their likes and dislikes. You want to ask some questions and you want to answer that. Okay? One will ask question and other will answer for it. One example is given there. Look in your textbook. First one. You are asking something. Which is your favorite season? Which is your favorite season? So partner replies as, I love summer. I love the holidays, swimming and ice cream. I love summer. I love the holidays, swimming and ice cream. So like this, you want to ask some questions to your partner and partner must answer their likes. Okay? So if one example I am giving you, which is your favorite color? Here I am asking you, which is your favorite color? Then your partner or any other will reply to me like this. My favorite color is red. I love red. Like this you want to ask something to your partner and that kind of asking we can see it as conversation. Okay. So you and your partner are having conversation. So here you want to ask some questions to your partner about their likes or dislikes. It must be a like or dislike. You want to ask them. Okay. Then write down your partner's answers. Now take turns to tell your class something about your partner using the answers that she or he gave you. After completing means after asking all questions, after getting all the answers, your turn is that you want to tell your class about your partner. You want to tell about your partner likes and dislikes. Okay? You want to use the answers that she or he gave you. Okay? Then we will move on to the next activity. P. I will read now. Listen carefully. On Sona's birthday, the rabbit made him a special crown from desert flowers. Sona wrote him a thank you note. Fill in the blanks with words from the box to help complete the note. On Sona's birthday, the rabbit made him a special crown from desert flowers. Sona wrote him a thank you note. Fill in the blanks with words from the box to help to complete the note. Okay? You want to use the words from the bracket to complete the note. So here Sona's birthday is there and rabbit made him a special crown from desert flowers. And also Sona wrote him a thank you note and you want to fill in the blanks by using the words from the box. So in the box some words are given there. Love, king, thank you, happy, sent, friend, dear, beautiful. Okay. So first we want to fill up the blank. In first sentence, one blank is there. We want to fill it. Dash rabbit. When we start to write a thank you note, we use dear or anything. So here we are using dear rabbit. Dear rabbit. Dash for the dash crown that you made for me. Dear rabbit, thank you for the beautiful crown that you made for me. So here our camel, Sona, is thanking rabbit for the crown, for the beautiful crown. So what is the spelling of the word thank you? T-H-A-N-K Y-O-U. Thank you for the beautiful crown. Beautiful spelling is B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful crown that you made for me. Third one, I dash it. I love it. L-O-V-E, love. I love it. I wore it all day and I felt like a king. He wore it all day and he felt like a king. So what is the spelling of the word king? K-I-N-G, king. Everywhere I went, everyone asked me about it. The dash from the flowers also made me dash all day. So, the scent from the flowers also made me happy all day. Okay, what is the spelling of the word scent? S-C-E-N-T, scent. And happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. The scent from the flowers also made me happy all day. Again, thank you so much. Again, thank you so much. You are loving dash. You are loving friend. What is the spelling of the word friend? F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Your loving friend, Sona. So this is the thanking note here. I will read again. Dear Rabbit, all should write these answers in your textbook. I will read again. Dear Rabbit, thank you for the beautiful crown that you made for me. I love it. I wore it all day and I felt like a king. Everywhere I went, everyone asked me about it. The scent from the flowers also made me happy all day. Again, thank you so much. Your loving friend, Sona. So we have completed all the textbook activities, and next day we will do our next activities of worksheet book. So all of you write down these answers in your textbook and finish all the activities very well. Okay? Then we will meet in our next class. Thank you.